Hello chemistry fans, and welcome back to Chemistry 1032 problem solving session. I am your host, Dr. Russell Betts, and I will be your guide through this problem today. So without any further ado, let's jump in. A gas has a volume of 14.5 liters at a pressure of 687 millimeters of mercury and a temperature of 35 degrees. What is the new pressure if the volume is increased to 15.5 liters and the temperature is increased to 45 degrees Celsius? First thing you do here is take a deep breath. There's a lot going on, so we have to be very careful here. Let's read the question again and start pulling out information. A gas has a volume of 14.5 liters, so VI (14.5 liters). Pressure, okay, so PI equals 678 milliliter. And temperature, okay, TI. So this is a combined gas law question. And let's just right away, it's a gas problem, so we're going to convert to Kelvin right away. I'm not even going to think about it, I'm just going to do it. If it happens that we don't need the Kelvin temperature, not a big deal. We have it anyway. Just because I think we're going to need it, just convert right away. Let's put a little box around that number because it's important. It could be important, so let's keep it in our forefront of our minds and highlight it with a little pen. All right, what is the new pressure? Okay, so PF is the question. Oops, and I see the little error here. It should be millimeters of mercury. That happens. Make mistakes. There we go. What is the new pressure if the volume, so VF, is increased to 15.5 liters, so a little bit of increase in volume, and the temperature, TF, equals 45 degrees Celsius. Let's convert that to Kelvin right away. Don't even think about that. In gas law questions, just immediately grab your calculator, convert to Kelvin. Even if you don't need to do it, it's there. It's an easy conversion. It's not going to harm you if you do it, even if you don't need it. All right. So this is a combined gas law question. So it's going to be PI VI over TI equals PF VF over TF. So now, to solve this question, we have to actually rearrange this entire formula to get PF by itself. And that's done by multiply by TF on both sides. And that's going to become, now there's going to be a lot of stuff moving around at once here, so just be careful, be mindful, be vigilant. TI. Now that doesn't equal quite what we want yet. We're still going to be PF VF. So we have to do another manipulation. Divide both sides by VF. Remember, we're trying to isolate PF. Okay? So VFs cancel, leaving us in PF. So PF equals PI VI TF over TI VF equals. Now the hardest part about the combined gas law questions is making sure you don't make a mistake with where you put your numbers. So just be hyper vigilant on these questions. PI 678 millimeters multiplied by VI 14.5 liters multiplied by TF, which is over here, 318 Kelvin. All of that now is divided by TI, which is 308 Kelvin, VF, which is 15.5 liters. Whew, okay, let's make sure our units cancel to leave us in pressure. Our pressure unit is right there. Liters cancel, Kelvin cancels. Equals. Now, it's just a basic multiply divide question, math question. So 678 multiplied by 14.5 multiplied by 318 divided by 308 multiplied by 15.5 equals 654, 55 actually. 655 millimeters of mercury. All right. Now this is probably the hardest gas law question you're going to be asked. And it's only hard because it throws around a lot of different variables. It's not hard because it's a hard concept to understand. Just be hyper vigilant. Keep your units together and make sure you follow your own work carefully. The biggest problem with combined gas law questions is students just start throwing numbers at the equation and without any logic behind it. So don't let that be you. Okay? Now if you have any problems, contact one of the tutors here at the Academic Success Center or come on by your professor's office hours during normal office hour time. And with that, I bid you good luck and good chemistry.